show you how to install a downpipe on your N55. All right, the first thing you want to do is jack up the car. There's a nice little jack there, and then there's a jack stand holding it up. Very nice. Next thing you want to do, take this cover off so you can get access to these little harnesses here. So these are the oxygen sensor clips. So just make sure you mark them, because one of these is for the pre-catalyst O2 sensor, and then the other one is the post-catalyst O2 sensor. So make sure you mark them. I normally like to leave a little scratch on them. There's two there, and then maybe you can see it here, right there. 2 marks there, 2 marks there. That way you don't get them mixed up. And then yeah, just undo them. Just like that. Very nice. And then try and push them down if you can, because you'll need to pull these through when you take the downpipe off. All right, so we're now under the car. There's 2 brackets. There are 2 bolts holding this exhaust mount up. Take the bolts out. Take off this V-band style of clamp, and then once we've done that, something amazing is going to happen. Snap on. Snap off. Snap on, bloke. There you go, have a look at that. Yeah, very nice. Oh yeah, just have a go at this. Oh, you beauty. Very exciting. So what's really important is that you take off the old O2 sensors and then you fit them in the new downpipe that you have. It's really important that you don't mix these up. So for example, this is the front, and so is here. So then you'd put the front one in the front hole, which is right over here. Hopefully that's in the camera angle. And then the secondary O2 goes here. So let's do it. Very nice, we are ready to go. Check that out. So it's all in, come and have a look. All right, so it's all on now. All that's left to do is to check for leaks. All right, so downpipe is in. So what you want to do is you want to actually start the car and then let it idle for about 5 minutes. And don't rev it. You want to actually do this because all of the glues and resins that are on the inside of the downpipe that actually glue the catalyst to the housing, they need time to set, and some of that burns off. So the first couple of minutes the car's going to smell like crap. That's okay, that's very normal. And then drive slowly for about 10 kilometers thereabouts, Don't go above 2000 RPM and try not to get into boost. You just want to recalibrate the O2 sensors, as in O2 sensors need to have time to actually calibrate to the new filth. Here we go. That was really smart. I just hit the wiper blade on accident when I was coming out and I just broke it. Great. Oh well, you live and you learn.